Hi, I'm Jay.
And I'm Ellie.
We're Things Adventured.
Welcome back to the continuation of our Overland truck build. Fucking muscles.
Built different. Ah!
Oh, you're recording!
I am. So today we are continuing the flatbed build, as we just said. More so due to something that this one did yesterday. She managed to get...
I didn't do anything. The cop did it. Okay?
She managed to get pulled over. As you see, we have a lot of wheel poke and no mud flaps.
Yep.
So that's what we're doing today.
And that officer did not like the wheel poke or the fact that I didn't have any mud flaps. He was nice though. He didn't give me an actual ticket. He gave me what us Ontarians like to call a fix-it ticket, which basically says, fix your shit or we're going to tow and impound your truck.
Yeah. So we're making fenders today. Full wheel wells and mud flaps all the way around. So what we're using today is, again, 3/8 aluminum. I got this stuff from Drayton Valley, Alberta, from a gentleman that was doing heavy hauling. These were meant to, these were used for the trailer to go over the wheels. And I got them for a pretty decent steel. We got our marks on here now. So the fender is going to be 16 inches wide, or sorry, 14 inches, just over 6 feet long. And because it has the notches along the sides, it'll make it much easier for bending this, and it'll look much cleaner. So we'll see how that turns out. lot has happened off screen. The camera's dying. But I'll turn the camera around and we'll see what we're working with now. We got one wheel well almost done. Just gotta increase the bends on a couple more of those areas just to get it closer to the tire. It's looking pretty good though. And then this one, the camera wants to turn. This one brought ice cream.
I did. You're welcome.
Thank you. Ice cream is good. So a little bit of a break and we'll
Especially on a
get
30-degree hot day.
30 degrees Celsius for you Americans. This one's on her phone. We decided to make some cuts. So we shortened the rear by 4 inches and the front by 6. So it's still gonna sit a bit lower in the front, which is fine. And a little bit higher in the rear, which is fine. Because that'll help with that nice overlanding tray angle. We've got aluminum for the side skirt there and aluminum for the side skirt there. And then we'll have a mud flap coming off of the rear to be in compliance. You know, all that fun stuff. Then we're gonna finish off the cuts on the driver's side one and get to doing that. Well, half the time, half of our day is looking for shit. Yep. But we're making good progress, today at least. Well, I have Allie for as long as I can. She's going out with her maid of honor to look at dresses. And then it'll just be me to do what I can. So what did we do?
Thought heavy thoughts.
Thought heavy thoughts. We got the rear portion, the driver's side, all bent. We thought heavy thoughts. It matches the angle of this guy here. So now we just gotta do the front portion.
Think heavy thoughts.
And think heavy thoughts. We already cut it down to match the length of this guy. So we just had to make those bends and weld in some supports from this portion here to this portion here.
Here to here, because it does not meet this cross member.
No, it does not. That was the hope, but it does not. So, shit. So, yeah, weld in some bars. We're gonna drill in some riv nuts. Use that to secure it. Do the same on the opposite side. And she'll look nice and clean. We have it, folks. We have the first fender on, as just for the other side. Got the tabs for the side skirts on the passenger side on. Just have to do the ones on the driver's side. At this point, we have about 8 weeks until the wedding, so about 7 weeks until we leave, and there's a lot to do. We still have to fully finish the flat deck. We still have to paint the truck and the flat deck. That's coming soon. For us, next weekend. For you guys, probably a couple more videos. That's gonna be for this one, folks. We will see you on the next one, where we continue the Overland truck build. Got a lot to do. We're gonna do it with you. Until next time.